Welcome to this video, and I'm sure you want to learn about button tags in HTML. That's probably why you checked this video. But before we get started, if you followed up in my previous series, you notice we have been using Sublime Text Editor for the series, but currently I changed to Visual Studio Code, which works well also. If you want to get Visual Studio Code, you can go to the web and get it downloaded on whatever operating system you are using, either being Windows, Linux, or Mac. So let's get started. So welcome back. So what you have to do, you just create a button folder on your desktop. Then you create an index.html in the button folder. So now let's talk about the button tag itself. But first, in Visual Studio Code, to load the basic template of HTML, you just have to type HTML and you go for the one with HTML5. Then you click on it, then it gives you the basic template of HTML. So you can just leave everything the way it is and go to the body tag where we are going to be using in this tutorial. So first, the button tag is used in forms. So what I mean by form is that there is a tag called the form tag. So the button tag is used in form tags. So form is like a place where you want to get feedback about something. So to submit that form, to submit the form, you have to have a button to click so that the button is going to help you to submit the form. So now let's start with a few things. Let's start with, never mind about this what I want to do right now, but I just want to use this to show you how to use the button tag in HTML. So type in label and name, inputs, text, then save this. Then you go to your browser and you refresh. Okay, so for you type in text and this is gonna be name. If you notice, my browser reloads automatically by itself, but that's one of the features that you can install in Visual Studio Code that Sublime does not have. But don't worry, I'm actually working on a video on the basic stuffs about Visual Studio Code that's really impressive and makes your work better. So now we created this already, but never mind what that is. So now here is where we are going, the button tag. So to use the button tag, you have to have a form. So now we have a form. So the button has to have a value, like a name. So whatever you type in the button is what is going to be there. So right now you can see submit in the name. So this is it. So if you click on the submit, it submits. So let's type my name in here and click on the submit button. It submits the name. But for now, we have some other things to do. For you to make your form to be able to submit, you have to learn other coding aspects. So HTML can't submit the form for you. So that's going to do with another level of coding. So that's just how to use the button tag. And also, the button tag has some attributes. So the first one we're going to look at is the submit attributes. Oh no, so So the submit attribute, if you click on the submit, it works the same way as the submit attributes, as the button works. That's how it works. So submit, it submits the form. So the other one we are going to look at is button. So let's save this and type in. So this just works as a button. It's not submitting the form, it's just working as a button, not to submit the form. So the next one we are going to look at is reset. So type in reset and save this. This resets what you have typed in. Like I type my name and I hit the submit button, it resets it. It doesn't reload the page, it doesn't send it, it just resets the page. So those are the type attributes we have for the button tag. And also there are two more attributes I would like to discuss, and well, I don't know in which case people would want to use this attribute, but it might come in handy. The first one I'm going to look at is the hidden attributes. So this makes your button hidden. So there's going to be button in the website, but it's going to be hidden. It's only if you check the source code of the website that you're going to know that there is a button there. But I don't know why I'm going to use that in any of my websites. In case if I've seen a way, I'm going to share with you guys. And also, if any of you know why you're going to use the hidden button in the website, maybe you could just tell me. And the other one is the content editable attribute. That's pretty hard to spell. So type in content editable. So you don't need to insert any value, just save this. And so this makes the button editable. Like you can edit it, so you can remove the word submit and type in anything. But I don't know why you are going to want to do this. I don't know why, but it's really good. So this is an attribute that works with the button, and you can use it in the header tags also, and the paragraph tag and some other tags. So that's all about the button. Thank you for watching, and you can copy the code of this video in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when I put out my video on Visual Studio Code Basics. Thank you.